In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your mirror. Now, this truck has manual mirrors. There's no power, anything here, so it'll be a lot easier and different than if you had wires going in through the door. Let's get started. If you come over here, you can remove this piece here by just pulling on it, and then you can also take off, well, you don't have to remove it, but if you peel it back at the top and at the bottom, you'll notice two holes. That is where your two mounting bolts are, two of the four that hold on this mirror. These right here are the other two, so let's remove the rubber caps. And now, with all of them exposed, get an 11mm socket, remove all four. I like to leave the top ones for last. That way the mirror is supported at the top and doesn't want to fall down. So let's get these two off. This one will be the trickiest, only because if you don't take the door panel off, you'll have to find the right angle to get your socket in there, remove it without dropping it in the door. Now, I will actually try to stick a magnet in there and catch the mounting nut as it comes out. But if you don't have that and you're afraid of dropping that in the door, you could just remove the door panel a couple screws later and you will have much better access, but it is not necessary to do so. There it is. All right, last one. Support the mirror because it will want to fall. Pull it straight out, and there's your mirror. Now, if you had your replacement mirror, go ahead and slide it on. Try to line up all of the mounting holes, all the studs. Okay, I'm going to start with one of the top ones, just like I ended. That way the mirror can be supported. This one is the easiest to access, so I'll start here. Now I'll just go ahead and put on all the other ones. As we tighten them up, you'll notice the mirror gets squished onto the door. That's perfect. That's what you want. You want the gasket that's in there to seal up nicely up against the door. Okay, this will be the trickier one. Put this back on. Put back these two grommets as well. There you have it. Mirror is installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.